Had a little bit of rain last night, which is going to make today's task a little more difficult. Today, I need to get these piles of wood. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I need to get them out, get them in the back of the gator, and then move them over towards where I'm doing the slash and burn by Bigfoot, which is right through there. Then I need to start a fire and start cutting little trees. Well, that's about it for this load. If I put too much in here, it's really going to chew up the lawn, and I don't want to do that. This stuff's pretty heavy. So I still have that pile down there, that pile there, and everything I brought up so far. I'm going to go dump this and come back and finish up. That's what's left of the fire from last night. I could feel the heat from standing up there, which is a good thing. It burned all night. It creates charcoal when you have a hot fire and you throw on green wood. You create charcoal, and the charcoal will burn for a while. We've had fires that the charcoal is burned for, I don't know, maybe 4 days. So, good deal. I'm going to get some of the wood that I just got, make a log cabin-like structure, fill that with mostly dry cutoffs, construction cutoffs, and get her lit. Then I believe the first thing I'll do is flush up these pointy stumps before I kill myself back here. Then I'm going to have at it with the brushwhacker and just cut trees like crazy, throw them on the fire, and clear this place out. And there you have it. Got a nice clear area back here so I can get at these trees without getting tangled up in all the junk. This was mostly brambles through here. One hell of a job. It was about 6 hours worth. But I got pretty far back here and all the way up to Bigfoot. Now I just got to get rid of some of these bigger trees, these birches and stuff. I didn't get these out because when I was working in this area, my damn chainsaw wouldn't start. I had a good deal of problems with that chainsaw. But I don't know if you remember this or not, but this is that big rock from our upper lot, the field right there. So I'm right at the back of it here, and there's a stake right through there. That's where I'm planting one of the bur oaks. So I'm going to get this whole thing cleared out, and I need to find out how far away from that tree I need to be to build a road. It seems like a good idea to put at least a minor road coming through here to the field, and we are going to curve one up going up to the road that way, so we have like a loop going through here. But the rest of this, once it's cleared, this will be planted with prairie grass next spring. No flowers or anything, because we need to be able to spray 2,4-D on it to knock down all this stuff that's going to want to come back. So it'll be like the little blue stem on the other side of the house there, where it needs to be sprayed several times and then come back and plant all that other stuff the year after. So this area will have wildflowers and stuff in 2 years, but this will all be savanna grasses or prairie grasses next year. The oak is looking really nice. I want to get these other trees out from underneath it so it sticks out a little better. It's pretty awesome. Alright, that'll do it for today. Just like yesterday, I will be coming out here. I think I came out here 5 times yesterday. In a few hours, maybe 2 hours, this will just be a big hollow ring with all this stuff going around the outside of it. Then I come out here and toss things back in the middle and just keep doing it until it's gone. And then I'll have a big pile of burning embers in the morning, like a pile of coal, and I can start it again if I want, just like I did today, which I will do if the forecast holds true. It's supposed to rain tomorrow evening. It rained last night and it didn't even put out the fire. So if the forecast is true and it doesn't rain till tomorrow evening, I'll get in here. If my saw is operating, I'll get rid of a good deal more of these trees and then take out some of the big ones, and hopefully that cedar right there, at least get everything out in front of Bigfoot mowed down so you can see it. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and click on the little update icon if you want to receive notice when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and have yourself a great day.